welcome to another video. Today I have a partial unboxing of a vacuum cleaner. Now I've only bought the top part, it's a Numatic. I only bought the top part of this. There only was the top part of this actually. So I bought it. I bought it off a Facebook group that I run and also am on. And it was from a fellow, I don't know if he collects, I think he's more of a refurber, but yeah, here is the machine. It's a 90s one, so yeah, let's have a look. So it's got the original case, which is good. How'd you get it out? Here we go. This is a Numatic nx200, yep, from the 51st week of 94, and it is covered in spiders and stuff. It's got the single fan motor in it. Odd. I don't know why these had the single fan motors, but you know. But yeah, this should actually clean up quite nice actually. The name ain't in too bad condition on this. And the base I'm going to be putting this on is this, which is a dark green clean base. Now the name isn't the same green, but it looks alright to be fair. It actually does look quite good with that on there. So that is what base that is having. So yeah, that does actually look alright. Once it's obviously cleaned up and that, it will look good. I want to test it quick because apparently it doesn't work, but it's a thing I can probably get working anyway. Probably something minor, like a break in a cable or something like that. But yeah, well, I'll plug it in quick and we'll see if it will fire up. So just plug that into the socket. Oh, one of the prongs are bent on the plug actually. Try and get this in. There we go. That's it. That's in. So let's see if it works. No, it does not work. Might be down to this plug, but I'm not too sure to be honest. But yeah, it's quite a cool little machine. I know my mate Adam has got a nx200. Yeah, the bigger one, the bigger green one. He had the 200 originally, but it wasn't too clean. It was